sa gyimi sem na oye no radio ni TV so no ene nkwasi allegations ye wo kro we mu ana me beka say asem a Captain Smart ka no oboa say Western Regional Minister odi Western Regional Minister term left right center maame na wonyem ye na sorry o fake ye say wonyem no maame no da Ghana force wonyem no enso no wonyem ota krade no Captain Smart hwe nyame anim ka kire Ghana fo nyina say onim maame no onim nebusuafo mo ye na danfo onim akola ne fitini nkola brem akola ne nyem ye wie ye no oboa wantima pa Ghana fo achew de bia me ka say ye bia mic ma wa momfa kanya nsasem no munya gyibisem na radio presenters ne ensentrophobi mu ye no radio ne TV so no. Don't glorify stupidity. The bia me kasa asem mu ntwe ne ye o enkofo be prem parking kind this generation mo parking kind they don't know their left from right and bibia no mo radio che ayo aya no bi ha o kan to kwa asem a and obi o ka confuse asem a ofi say eba obefa no hwadi adan ma me bia na misiana me de ne example misiana market o say an to kwa besi na ma me uni mo atamfo o say da bi na me say obi so mi wo pa opportunity abekum so oni mo a uni mo atamfo enti so ye radio presenter and TV presenter na ye bie mic ma wa mo kanya sasem odo nkabom ni nkwansasem obi anka say don't criticize constructive not destructively ni how who yanka ehuru white in front of red. I don't know why people waste your time on programmed and bribe taking self-serving populist and sycophantic journalists like a useless idiot like Captain Smart. Me have said the times to that number. Me, my kind of times to that number. I don't hate anyone, but the same chojuma na waye no ene nyankophobia no krom no omede ntokwa ne confusion beba oko Somalia na Rwanda na hodo na odo wo muntem sene ha jimisem ene nkwase akeka radio presenters bitina radio ni TV so keka ye ene kofa sa confusion we nyina bai omo enso mo dada mu piem Somalia na yi mo de mo nkotie nkwase asem a radio presenter ya to abawie na radio presenter biti so aba we de ye wiem ana we de ye kum nipa we ene ye sei ana confusion bye. Read about Amayan to question. You appreciate what I'm talking about. And so your opinion, I don't care. Obuha or Tananado Danko Akufado Ntino. Unquasia Sembia, and Jimmy Sembia, Yabaka Fana Kufadono, on Trebuase, and Rese and Okana Senor Konua Jed, no should be at them. Obu on Pedro Mahama Sam. And I did you a better for Domhamabia, no Jay, no Jedi. Meanwhile, on Esa Assembly and Okana Senor Kre, Mumi Senior San Okrumu. Now one day, Beka sell is out to kind. Now, a sinsua, Opia fan who knew Okrumu. Opia Yana Juso Bejane. Ujamna Kabibi, may pick a course. Number no is 0501-33-6996, 0501-33-6996, and 0501-33-998. Me pacho bibi, Ujam, meet you.
Alizatu, I said Kaka meet my catcher at Smart and say, Mr. Noda. She say no, a police is friend. I'm on your and no mama ni pay. And no police fortune, no mama ni pay. Uprising, mon sorry, no I'm passenger for the I'm disappointed in Utumfo say to the second. I'm disappointed in watching your money GMPC Sika. I'm disappointed. Mama Sika in him kind. Sika didn't him kind. Sika didn't him kind. What is that? Why is Mamma Peke course? I mean, Sika didn't him kind. Sika didn't him kind. Captain Smart or ex convict, yet chinu tumwa, me bois, Ghana police for yet chinu tum, wako prison abapen, or defraudu obi, and you didn't coin it in the buy. What are you talking about? And yet, Ghana police for titunia sentiment more much in the South time so that number. The records and everything are there. Kennedy are complete with Japan by kind, and how call on swear. Can someone tell TV so your program cafe? But what you found and come to media now the first say pen and Akufado some interest confusion and to Quincy. The first one Pedro Mahama some interest can send me and Crabia Fano. Moment for no cre and Yejumo Crewim. We've been a better Sikama, we've been a better Sikama. Mamma, we've been a better Pacho, didn't baby afraid. Hello. Oh, went to many national. My patron, I'm called Dini baby are free.
me lines no me lines no manya ntia se network no
akoyem no emwa wo hunu ye ne mo nka mo nkɔgye sika no wo nka de wo hunu no ka ɛno yɛ sense wo kɔgye sika na wo hunu ye no waka ɛbasa da bia no wo confusion ɛbɛyɛ bebebe me se no ada me pa de chow
yes
wo nya de wo ye no enye wo nyai ɛbasa no an Elizabeth ne kɔfom program ne kɔfom amanfo bebebe na captain ye kan wasem
okay
amanfo so wasem enti basa wodi nkontompo ye program wodi sikaje ye program enema obi bebebe o se bia gibia 50 100 ne kofo ko kama se mami abranya ne kura e basa no woni begu ase ti be sense wo mo ne kure
okay
enne ni bibia no enye totote
oyema best kasa me pon
me da se e ba cho krobo phone na
yenya me so mo fan che yenya problems with our phone lines your phone lines ni nyina block ya say Mr. Network no and ma go so sir makacho si move ko your ultra modern studio sir san your money nyina to betwa. I don't care how you feel, I don't care how you think. Me catch it esa asem na no na senya no kura mu mi nsu nyansa okro mu na one day beka sell is out to kind na esisu a obi afa no huni okro mu obi anyana ju so bedwane ujamna ka bibi me peke course number no is 0501336996 0501336996 and 0501336998 me pacho bibi ujam meet you
alizatu accept kaka mit makatre kat smart say Mr. Noda sisi no
obi a wonyansa enye gyimi for the captain smart etiefo no meka obi onim nyansa kona kohwe the policy document for one district, one factory. Na kachire me where it said say government in Kwani basi those factories no. I'm pointing out to mommy. Captain Smart, I want you to go for the one district, one factory policy. Look at the document, point the line that said say government is going to be the sole constructor of these whole factories we are talking about. Bring it out, let us see. But do you know why you are able to do that, Captain Smart? You do that because you have no respect for the people that listen to you. You do that because you have no respect for the Ghanaians who have the like who even takes the chance to even patronize your show. Because per the policy document of one district, one factory, we are told that government in conjunction with private sector, keyword, government in conjunction with private sector will bring one district, one factory. So there are some factories that are going to be started from scratch, that is spearheaded by the government. There are other ones that the government is going to partner with businessmen, such as Ibrahim Mahama, aka Jata Cement. Utie, just so you know, where Muye Ghana for one. The way a mama membu ne kono, the way a mama wiase kono, mama Ghana kono. Se mo anhwe ye be kakra ho. Wan ka sa obeton wa wo ho amaniba. Because adwene a mode twene no e wo fom dodo. Mutie, madwene a mode twene ne ama ho no e wo fom. Inti Ghana ni se wo spend 1 minute e di read ade a ebe ye wo den e be kun. Like seriously, say, who take you 1 minute? Who take you 1 minute per